Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop and shout out kay Sir Adrian. Sir, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop. So, quick video testing lang tayo ng unit mo, sir. Hi Kappa. 5.1 Type K with full automatic semi and full automatic siya. So, this is the switch for semi and full auto. Pag nakababa, full auto. Pag nakaangat, semi-auto. And yung sa kabilang side, ito yung manual safety. Ma-activate mo siya pag nakababa yung hammer. Yan. Pag hindi nakababa yung hammer, hindi mo siya ma-activate. Yan. Hindi mo siya ma-activate pag hindi nakababa. So, kailangan nakababa yung hammer bago mo siya ma-activate. Okay. Working. Safety off. And then, yung another safety features, yung beaver tail. Yan. Kahit naka-safety off, kinalabit ko, hindi puputok, hindi siya pumipitik, palo yung hammer, dahil hindi engage yung beaver tail. Ayan. Kapag nakadiin yan, ayan. So, ulitin natin. Pag di siya nakadiin, kahit anong kalabit, di siya puputok. Automatic kasi pag hinawakan mo, didiinan siya. Ayan. So, working ang beaver tail, working manual safety. Ayan. Markings, threaded barrel, serrations, ganda ng serrations siya. Oh. Adjustable rear sight, fixed front sight. Ayan. Semi-magwell. 30 rounds capacity magazine. Lagyan natin ng bibis para matest. Medyo damihan natin kasi may full automatic to eh. Yan. Tapos, 3 segundo lang ang pagkarga. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, si Sir Adrian ay nag-request na 0.28 daw ang isasama kong bibis. So, ito sir, 0.28 and then nag-order siya ng extra bibis. 0.28. So, bali 2 pack ang makuha mo sir and then yung isa pang freebies na gas. Okay. So, yung kanyang manual, andito, yung owner's manual. Yan. Yan naman yung mga kasama. Okay. So, ayan, test for natin, Sir Adrian. Ito unit, 5.1 Type K High Kappa. Okay, so test for tayo. Okay, test for tayo, High Kappa 5.1 Type K. Semi-automatic muna. Nakaangat yung switch. Okay, semi-automatic. Yun yung semi-automatic. Pag full automatic, baba mo lang yung switch. Rapid firing. Yun yung full automatic. Okay, so ayan, nag-open slide, face the magazine, press down the slide up, slide release, then, para bumalik yung slide, then hammer down. Okay, Sir Adrian, okay na pong unit yung Sir High Kappa 5.1, balik lang natin semi. Type K, okay, if you have more question, message lang sa aming page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you po.